The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to push boundaries in the ultralight drone category, continuing the legacy of DJI's Mini series. Rumors point to an official unveiling on August 7, 2025. With sightings and leaks surfacing, the drone is expected to bring significant upgrades, including a next-gen LiDAR sensor, thermal imaging options, improved battery efficiency, longer flight durations, a large 1-inch sensor, and support for 6K video. It also features a refined foldable design, new color variants, upgraded transmission with AccuSync enhancements, and bundled packages at competitive pricing. In terms of intelligence and automation, DJI continues its leadership in smart flight systems. The Mini 5 Pro will likely include advanced autonomy powered by firmware improvements and APS 6.0, enabling all-direction obstacle detection using combined LiDAR and stereo vision. This allows the drone to fly more intuitively, smoothly avoiding moving objects like birds or cars without abrupt stops. It may also track multiple subjects simultaneously and recognize humans, vehicles, and animals with improved AI prioritization. Flight control becomes more precise with smarter waypoint navigation. Instead of basic GPS routes, the drone can use terrain data to hug landscape features such as cliffs or rivers. A new terrain follow feature ensures stable altitude even in areas with poor GPS signal. Cinematic tools are also enhanced, such as an orbit mode with dynamic horizon adjustment and improved tracking that lets users switch targets with a simple tap. Dual operator mode returns with better stability and reduced delay, ideal for professional filming setups. The DJI Fly app is set to receive a major overhaul to support the Mini 5 Pro. An updated interface offers quicker access to key features like LiDAR calibration, flight modes, and camera settings. A new Smart Shots 2.0 feature allows users to input a few parameters and automatically generate stylized mini films. Cloud-based storage logs flight data and battery usage, while a safety center will likely consolidate firmware updates and airspace alerts. Integration with DJI's Terra software brings real-time mapping capability for industries like construction and agriculture. For content creators, a new Terra Sync plugin for major editing software will streamline stitching and grading, with native support for 6K, 265 footage. A companion mobile tool supports rapid edits and social exports in multiple aspect ratios. DJI Cloud will back up images and flight data automatically, with collaboration tools enabling shared editing and planning. Beyond consumer use, the drone's lightweight build under 250 grams keeps it below many regulatory thresholds. This makes it easy to deploy for commercial tasks such as inspecting rooftops, power lines, or solar panels. The precision of its sensor suite supports detailed surveying and integration with BIM software for construction. Optional thermal modules may enable heat detection for maintenance or emergency use. In disaster zones, the drone could connect to satellite relays to stream footage from remote locations. Despite its light frame, the drone's sophisticated autonomy may face stricter scrutiny under visual line-of-sight laws in some regions. DJI is expected to expand geofencing measures and introduce location masking for recorded data in sensitive areas. Commercial users might benefit from pre-authorized flight corridors, while developers can use DJI's SDK to ensure their apps comply with safety and airspace rules. The accessory lineup is also getting an upgrade. DJI may release a precision calibration mount for LiDAR sensors, a modular carry case, a Cinema ND filter kit, and possibly even hot-swappable batteries for extended missions. Third-party vendors are expected to offer accessories like propeller guards, water landing gear, and solar chargers. Personalization options like skins and straps will let users make the drone their own, while industrial partners can create customized gimbals and thermal units. Pricing is expected to start between $700 and $800, placing it in the semi-professional range. DJI might offer several versions: the standard model with essential features, a Pro variant with enhanced sensors and satellite link capability, and a cinema package with full 6K and RAW output. The Fly More combo could include extra batteries, filters, and other tools at a bundled price. Financing options and trade-in discounts may also be offered, encouraging upgrades from older Mini models. Overall, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to be a game changer. It brings powerful imaging, extended flight capabilities, and advanced autonomy into an ultra-portable design. This model blurs the line between hobbyist gear and professional-grade equipment, and its thoughtful design ensures it fits into both creative and industrial workflows. With launch expected in early September 2025, DJI aims to redefine what an ultralight drone can deliver.